Yeah, that's right. Welcome to the laser show. Not a laser show, but we are getting ready to put this giant deck. I think it's 20 feet long, 10 feet wide. It's gonna go on the front of a barge. So we have to make a hinge and we have to extend it by 4 feet with another piece of 1/4 inch 4x10 diamond plate, steel plate. But before we do that, we have to take this giant beam, cut it, weld it to the end over here, because this is where the brunt of everything. This beam's gonna overhang here, 1.5 feet on each side. And we're gonna have a cable on the barge or a hydraulic cylinder, and it's gonna lift here for our pivot so that we can lift and lower this drawbridge so that they can do drawbridge crane stuff for building docks and seawalls. So stay tuned, big project. Then it's that's 5, that's 8. Okay, so 5. This is gonna be 8 now. 8. And then off that, I need the straight ruler. That's 4. Okay. So we're gonna come up 4 inches. 4 inches, and then off of that I want 5, 8, and then I want to go to 16. So I want to go to 18. And we're going to come over this way, and from here to here is 18 inches. And that's 18. It's gonna sit up in there, and then we can go something like this. We'll start here, 3 inches, and then we'll have a line coming back like this, whatever, and then yeah, that'll be nice. That way we could tie into this, tie into this, tie into that. Is that right? So that's 4 inches. That's 5. 4. Oh, we could do a step right there too. So that's going to be 1.5. I don't think it needs it. As long as we have enough meat here, we'll be okay with that. Because that's already held into position. It's welded all the way around.
Are you making a video of this? Really?
Hello there. This is me talking with my brain. Okay, so today we got a late start, but we did get a lot done. We got our beam cut. I forget what this is. I think it's 6x10 by 1/2 inch wall thickness. It's super beefy. And this is where all the tension is gonna come to raise this drawbridge up and down. We have it set where we want it. We have some of the welding done. We're gonna go back to the shop. We're going to cut a bunch of specialized gussets to weld back into everything to make sure that this is like perfectly like strong, because all the force is gonna be there. And then over here, we have we have to build a hinge from scratch. So this is going to be our hinge pin, this tube on the ground, and we have C-channel, and then we have a little bit bigger pipe that we're going to cut sections out of, and then So we're basically going to cut the C-channel in half. We'll have 2 pieces, and then plot out all of our other pieces that weld to the C-channel, and then this large pipe slides through the middle of it. That way we got a working hinge, and that'll weld on the other end. So we'll have to go through the same steps as we have done with this one, get it up there, see where it's at, see what kind of other material we have to add to it to gusset it in so it's super strong. They're going to be putting dozers and stuff over this. Dump trucks are going to be backing up, so it has to be like mighty beefy.